Oh, Monica, quit chewing on my leg.
Yummy.
Ow, that hurts. You're turning me on.
Whoa.
Alright, anyway.
Well, my last period today was study hall.
Sorry to hear about that. Anyway, never mind. Bad joke.
To be honest, I kind of just lost track of time. Oh, hello, welcome back.
Yeah. Guess we'll have to just wait till the door closes. There we go, perfect. Good. Okay, go on.
No, I already done that.
Okay.
Yep. Oh.
That made no sense, though. You have heard the bell ring, at least.
I must not have heard it, since I was practicing piano. Ooh.
Piano? I wasn't aware that you played music as well, Monica.
Oh, I don't really. I kind of just started recently. I've always wanted to learn piano. That's cool. Oh, just nothing.
Okay.
You should play something. That's...
Sorry.
Nope.
Sorry about that. I fast forwarded your audio.
Fast forward.
That's... I don't know who that was. Monica looks at me.
Maybe once I get a little bit better, I will. Yay!
That sounds pretty neat. I also look forward to it.
Is that so? In that case, I won't let you down, sexy Okami.
Monica smiles sweetly. Robot function smile. I-beams activating. Ah, you got me. I didn't mean to any pressure or anything like that.
Don't worry.
This is what you get for pressing me.
Laser!
Hole in my belly I have.
I've been practicing a whole lot recently. And I'd really love the chance to share once I'm ready.
I see. In that case, best of luck.
Thanks. So I didn't miss anything, did I?
Not really. I choose to leave out Sayori's mischievous escapade, whatever that word was. I'm sure Natsuki will end up complaining to her anyway. Looks like everyone has already settled down. Sayori somehow already finished her entire cookie. She's like,
Who came off?
What an asshole.
Yuri's back to her book. Natsuki disappeared into the closet.
What?
That's where her manga is.
6-0 coming, 6-0 coming.
Sayori suddenly comes up to me.
I'm gonna go and get some supplies from other classroom. Wait.
From the classroom. Yeah. No.
Want to come with me?
Supplies? What for?
Well, you know how the festival is coming up? Me and Monica were gonna make some posters and stuff. So I need to go and I need to go find some crayons and markers and glue sticks.
So I can glue Yoda back together.
No, you can't glue him back. He's turning into smithereen.
He's a giant hole in his belly.
He's just a meat pile.
Someone make a drawing of Yoda after this entire video.
You just have to draw a meat.
It's just hamburger.
fuck I am.
Tasty, I shall be. Oh, jeez. So I need to go. Oh, it's you. Okay.
Oh wait, did I read it? I think
Ah, I see. Sure, I'll go with you.
Yay! Okay, Monica, we'll be back soon.
We didn't get Yuri again. It's because of the first like 13 choices that we picked was all her.
Yeah. Oh no. Ah, are you going with Sexy Okami to get supplies? There's no need to trouble yourself. I'll be happy to go with him. Oh, but I wanted to go. It's such... Oh, it's so much fun exploring empty classroom and stuff. Okay. It was just a suggestion.
Dang it, my second plan to destroy Sexy Okami failed. Processing. New plan.
I see. If you can find poster paper too, okay? Okay.
So I can post Yoda's blood all over it.
Yay! Okay. Ready, Sexy Okami?
Yep, let's go. Sneaking. Sayori and I exit their club room. I follow behind Sayori. I follow behind, and Sayori hums and skips around the hallway. Honestly. Natsuki, are you out here?
Sorry, I just got to here.
Come on.
It feels like I'm taking a kid in the mall or something. Sayori finds pleasure in the simplest things she does sometimes. Hey, Sayori. What exactly are we doing for the festival anyway? I'm not sure how you would make an event out of literature.
Me and Monica have it all planned out. Don't you worry.
Is that so?
Yep. We're gonna do a property performance.
Property performance?
Oh no.
This is
Poetry performance!
this is how you are a tree. This is how you
Oh gosh.
This is how you are grass. The wind blows the grass and the trees.
Dear oh dear.
Bang, 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 bang. The birds fall from the sky dead, splatting against the concrete. You get fined for animal abuse.
Oh no. Oh, everything turned dark.
The end.
Oh dear, dear.
Oh my gosh.
Oh dear.
A performance? Of what kind?
Well,
What you listening?
we're going to chop up Yoda. Then everyone's gonna take turns on stage and recite their favorite poems.
Ugh. That sounds kind of dull.
Sexy Okami. You're not thinking about it the right way at all. It's not just about reading poems. It's about performing them.
But I don't want to be a tree.
Tree I am. Goo goo gaga.
Tree you shall be. I'm gonna do that every time. I'm gonna do that every time I eat food. Like, what do we have for dinner, Mom? Oh, we're having spaghetti. Spaghetti is delicious, it is.
You.
My mom's gonna be like, what the heck happened to you?
Like you say the lines of the poem like between my visitors.
That too.
The last millennium brought beckons to me. I twist the stem, freeing it from its clinging roots.
Is this her poem? I think this is the poem that she wrote, like, for today.
Hey. Caressing the final joyous moment between my fingers
As I strangle baby Yoda to death. Breathe, I cannot. Hamburger my father has become. Gurgle gaga. Okay.
Follow his path, I shall. But to what end have I summoned this joy? For now, we may look in every direction. The once preposterous field sorry,
Close enough.
it's but a barren wasteland. Like that.
Sayori? How do I put this? I'm sure it's just me, but it's impossible for me to take you seriously when you talk like that.
You mean it? I'm working super hard on this, you know.
I know. I just meant that it's an unordinary contrast to your cute self.
Don't say that. It's embarrassing. But I guess that means I'm doing a good job.
Yeah, I guess so.
I'm so excited. The festival is going to be so much fun.
Sayori spins herself around in the hallway again.
Hey, sexy Okami, this classroom over here, it's empty. Let's begin the mission.
They just start axing the wall, cutting it down. This wall will be a tree.
Cut down this wall, I shall.
The mission. Sorry, my phone went off. Oh, the mission, hey. It's been a long time since I've spent time with Sayori like this. What do you mean? You've been with her the entire time.
man.
And in the end, she hasn't changed one bit.
What's wrong with your father?
She's nothing but a ball of sunshine, drawing happy vibes from the world around her. That, or she's just taking people's souls. She's just sticking her hand in people's chest and ripping out their soul.
Oh, no.
What is that? Oh, God. Oh, never mind. I was going to make an Indiana Jones joke, because there was a... Oh, what was it that they said? Oh, anyway. It's pretty nostalgic feeling for me. As the years went by, I began to hole myself up in my room more and more. So going and venturing with Sayori brings me to a special sort of feeling I forgot I had in me. The two of us enter the classroom. It's the same classroom at the beginning of the game.
Yes.
Oh, God.
Yes, first you come and sit down. It's time for class. Today we're going to learn the insides of Yoda that are splattered on the wall from
Episode 1.
from episode 1 to episode 4, whatever episode we're on anymore. I don't remember. I think this is episode 4.
Anyway, the two of us enter the classroom. Sayori heads straight for the closet, and I follow. A monster jumps out and chops off her head.
Let's see what we have in here. Crayons.
Cut that out. Sayori pulls a box full of crayons off the shelf.
They're the best brand
Oh, God.
too.
I can't get the condom joke out of my head now.
Oh no.
They're the best brand. Sayori slowly unbuttons her shirt. Oh, wait, it's already unbuttoned. It's kind of... Okay. Anyway, continue.
They're kind of dirty though.
Sayori starts pulling various crayons out of the box, reading the color names. Alright, that's one down. Don't get distracted. We still need to find... Wait. I'm looking for my favorite color. Fine. Oh, wait, that was you. Whoops. I'm looking for my favorite color.
Oh yes.
Fine. Well, the favorite color I'm searching for. At least move aside so I can look in the poster for the poster paper.
I dropped my one by accident.
Smack!
Yeah.
Sayori bends over to smack her forehead and right into the
Oh.
right into the shell.
Oh.
She falls into the floor and the crowns spill all over her lap.
Ow.
I think that's supposed to be like the translation for the. So I think that's what that's supposed to stand for. You okay?
My forehead.
Yoda's just squatting over the top of her forehead, getting ready to poop.
Poop? I must.
Sayori clutches her forehead. Jeez, Sayori. I quickly punt Baby Yoda off her forehead. Yoda flies all around the room, releasing gas.
Oh my god.
It was as if he was a balloon. That's just like you, isn't it? Come on, let me see. Since Sayori is sitting on the floor, I grab her by the waist and pull her out of the closet. You have to move your hand, Sayori.
But it hurts.
Just do it for a second. Sayori slowly releases her hands from her forehead. I gently brush her bangs on the side.
Ow.
Sorry. There's a huge red mark on the center of her forehead. A bump is starting to form as well. It keeps growing and pokes me in the eye. Ow! Ow! Man, that's gonna swell up. I should find you some ice.
Sexy origami.
Where would I even find ice around this time? Ah, I guess a cold drink would do. That's you.
Don't have to. Oh, I'm fine with looking like a unicorn.
Oh my god, I just made that joke.
Yeah.
Even wincing from the pain, Sayori makes a silly joke. What are you saying? It'll be all right. I'll be right back. Okay.
Okay.
I pat Sayori on the shoulder and run out into the hallway. I locate the nearest vending machine and summon another Yoda.
For just me, you must.
I quickly shove a knife into his gut and rip out his intestines, pouring his blood into a cup. What should I get? It doesn't really matter since I already have Yoda's blood in this cup here. Although it's not cold, it's clearly warm. Guess I can't use this. Since it will be used as an ice pack rather than a drink. But I know Sayori likes apple juice, so I'll purchase that one. In just a moment, I'm already returning to the classroom where I left Sayori. She has one palm on her forehead and is using the other hand to clumsily scoop crayons back into the box. Wait, you got the bump from a crayon box? At least they're already in the wrong spots before I spilled them. Oh, that was you.
Oh.
At least they were in the wrong spot before I spilled them. Sayori here. I hand Sayori a bottle of apple juice.
It's nice and cold.
Sayori quickly freezes over and becomes an ice block.
Yay!
Sayori opens the cap and starts drinking from it. Sayori, what are you doing? It's for your forehead, dummy.
Ah. Sorry, I forgot.
How hard did it hit you? How hard did it hit your head? Sayori places the bottle against the bump on her head.
It stings.
Just bear with it. It'll feel better soon. The room slowly starts to freeze over from Sayori's clearly frozen body. Looks like you cleaned up most of the crowns, so that's good.
Hey, sexy origami. This kind of reminds you of growing up, doesn't it?
What, the fact that you're frozen to the floor?
Gross.
Yeah. What do you mean?
You know how we used to play outside all the time? I would always try to keep up with you. You were kind of obvious in some ways. like I usually fell behind, or like I usually fell behind or had trouble carrying on the things you did. But sometimes when I tried to do things, I couldn't. I would get myself hurt. I'd fall and scrape myself or get a bump. And I would start crying really hard. And you would rush over and quick. And you would rush over as quick as you could. You would try really hard to get me to stop crying.
You would just slap me in the face with a Yoda.
It was nice and cool. It was almost like you blame yourself and we were afraid of getting in trouble if someone found out. Even though it really wasn't your fault at all, you know?
Did I really do that?
Yeah. You don't remember?
All those Yodas you killed? Come to think of it, maybe I do remember a bit. I also remembered a pink-haired little girl sucking up the blood and cleaning the street. I guess I was always so focused on my games that I didn't pay enough attention to you. So in a way, it was my fault. Kind of like this time too. If I wasn't rushing you out of the closet, you probably wouldn't have hit your head.
Lexi got me. I don't think you realize it, but you're always thinking about other people. Even after all these years. You're rushing to help me, even though I'm just being clumsy.
Oh yeah, by the way, that wasn't apple juice I gave you. That's actually my beer that I stored in my backpack.
Oh, I feel dizzy. You're really a sweetheart.
Not sweet.
Don't call me that. Don't call me that. And I don't really do this kind of thing all the time. I guess when it comes to you, it just feels natural. Before I even know it, I'm treating you like that. I guess that's what happens when you find a random Yoda inside a vending machine.
Buy another one, you must.
I guess that's what happens.
The only one there can be.
I guess that's what happens when you've been friends for so long.
Really? Maybe you're right. Sexy or gummy? I'm so glad that nothing changed between us. Do you think we'll be like this forever?
Forever? If I'm honest to myself, there's no telling where we'll each end up in college or after that. So it wouldn't be fair for me to make any promises. But well, I hope so. As long as they don't run out of ingredients to breed copies of Yodas.
Yeah.
It's
Go to Camino and clone myself, I will.
It's in the next Clone Wars. It's just cloned Yodas. Oh jeez.
Contact service.
Oh, I didn't read that. I can't imagine that. Can I go back? I think I could go back.
Yep.
Yeah, anyway, I can't imagine that you ever changing. So my hopes are up.
I'm so happy.
Suri has a whimsical expression in her eyes. We remain silent for a moment. She's so silly and clumsy on the outside, but when I see her deep in thought like this, it makes me not want to disturb her. The two.
Oh, I guess we should go back. I don't want to worry Monica, you know.
Good luck with that. She's gonna see your forehead either way.
Oh, If I hide it under my
I
bangs.
thought that said not if I hide it under my underwear. She just takes off her underwear and puts it on her head.
Oh, Furby! Run away! There's a crazy woman!
Crazy woman! Stay away from me!
Oh my god. Oh, Sayori hops to her feet. She clutches her forehead again. Don't stand up so fast after hurting yourself. Well, I guess it's too late now. Anyway, let's go. Wait, did we get everything? We're too busy slamming your forehead on the closet, hitting you with Yodas.
Yeah.
I follow Sayori out of the classroom. Sayori plays with her bangs and try to hide the bump without much success. In a moment, we make it back to the club room.
Ah, you're back. Good timing. I was just about ready to start with sharing our poems. Sayori, your forehead.
She's fine, don't worry about it.
I was playing with the crayon and smacked my forehead into the shelf.
Then Yoda's tried to poop on my face. But Sexy Okami kicked him off.
Well, anyway, we are able to find everything we needed. I have it right.
Of course she forgot it. Sayori frantically glances around herself.
I forgot all that stuff.
Calm down, Sayori. I have it all right here. I found the poster paper too.
Aha! Sounds like you ended up doing all the work, Sexy Okami.
Ah, well, Sayori. I failed to come up with an excuse for Sayori.
I made it in. I made it an adventure.
A vending machine Yoda adventure for me. slap him against random walls. Yeah, that.
Okay. In any case, good work.
Next time on Canine Fan.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Hiro, for joining me. We'll continue this nonsensical episode next time. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure you like this video, because let me know if you like it. If you don't like it, seriously, guys, we're having fun with this. We'll continue the nonsense. So thank you guys for watching, and remember, keep it sexy. Sexy. Oh, so sexy. Sexy. Boop. Ooh la la. Ooh la la, cha cha cha.